The sixth question says the figure shows a cylindrical tank of base radius r is equals to 7 by 10 meters. The height h in meters of water in tank is maintained by controlling the inlet volume flow VI and outlet volume flow VO of water. VI and VO are recorded during time 0 to 6 minutes as VI is given as 1 by 50 t square plus 14t and VO is given as 1 by 50 minus t square minus 60. Given that for a small interval time V dash is equals to rate of change of volume of water, H dash is rate of change of height of water in the tank, and V dash is equals to pi r square H dash. Okay, so which is basically equals to inlet rate of water minus outlet rate of water. Now if H dash is equals to K this expression and h is equals to this expression where k is a constant, a naught, ai, a2 are real numbers, we have to find the value of h at time is equals to 2, where here 2 basically means in minutes, right? So let's try it. So we know v dash is equals to pi r square h dash, but it is also inlet rate minus outlet rate, so we can write it as 1 by 50. 1 by 50 could be taken as common and t square plus 14t minus t square minus 60, right? And this would be equal to pi r square h dash. Okay, so let's try to compute this. We get 1 by 50 t square plus t square is equals to 2t square plus 14t plus 16t is equals to 20t. It comes out to be pi r square h dash. Okay, now h dash comes out to be 1 upon 50 pi r square into 2t square plus 20t. Okay, and h dash given to us is h dash, which is given to us is k a2 t square plus a1 t plus a naught, right? So let's compare. If you compare here, we get k equals to 1 upon 50 pi r square, a2 is equals to 2, a1 comes out to be 20 and a naught comes out to be 0. So we have obtained these values. We are going to put this in the equation where h is given, right? So h is given as h equals to k a2 t cube by 3 plus a1 t square by 2 plus a naught t. Okay, so let's put in the values. H is equals to k is 1 upon 50 pi r square, then we have 2 t cube by 3 plus here a1 is 20 and we are also dividing by 2, so we can write this 10t square and a naught comes out to be 0, so that will become 0. Now value of pi, we have to take value of pi as 22 by 7 and value of r, let's check out. I think it was 7 by 10 meters. Okay, so r equals to 7 by 10 meters. So let's put in that. H equals to 1 upon 50 into 22, 7 comes up, into 7 into 10, and we have to calculate at t equals to 2, right? So at t equals to 2, we have 2, 8, 2 cube is 8, right? Plus 10 into 4. Okay, so let's simplify this. 0, 0, 7 cuts off, so we get 1 upon 110, and here we get 16 by 3 plus 40. So let's calculate this. So this comes out to be 110 and we have 136 by 3. On further simplification, we can cut this by 2, so this comes out to be 55 and this becomes 68. So the answers comes out to be 0.412 meters. Okay, I guess we did some mistake. Okay, here we have to put r square, so no problem, we can multiply this with 10 by 7. So the final answer on calculation would be 0.58 meters. Okay.